Hey there, lovely people. Tonight we're going to talk about the ultimate quesadilla. Prep time is approximately 5 minutes, cook time 7 minutes, so in total, 12 minutes to make. The serving is for one person. Ingredients include a large flour tortilla, grated cheese such as a mild or sharp cheddar or Monterey Jack, and then lastly you need olive oil or butter. Optional, as in whatever you feel like putting in your quesadilla, includes sliced mushrooms, green olives, black olives, preferably sliced, fresh tomatoes, diced, chicken pieces, avocado, lettuce, apple cider vinegar, or kosher salt. Step 1. Heat the tortillas until air pockets form. Heat a large skillet, cast iron works great, or a medium-high heat. Add a small amount of oil, about a half teaspoon, and spread it around the bottom of the pan with a spatula. You could also use butter as well. Take one large flour tortilla and place it in the pan. Flip the tortilla over a few times, 10 seconds between flips. Air pockets should begin to form within the tortilla. Step 2. Add the cheese and the other ingredients. When pockets of air begin to form, take a handful of grated cheese. Sprinkle over the top of the tortilla, making sure that the cheese is not laying on the pan itself. Add whatever additional ingredients you choose, including green onions, sliced mushroom, olives, tomatoes, or whatever you prefer. If you like your quesadilla to be a chicken quesadilla, add some diced cooked chicken. Take care not to layer the ingredients too thickly, as it may not heat properly. Step 3. Lower the heat and cover the pan. Reduce the heat to a low heat and cover the pan. The pan should be hot enough by now to have plenty of residual heat to melt the cheese and brown the tortilla. If the quesadilla begins to smoke too much, remove from the heat, you idiot. After a minute, check to see if the cheese is melted. If not, return the cover and keep checking every minute until the cheese is melted. Sir, who makes a tortilla like this? Step 4. Fold the tortilla over. When the cheese is sufficiently melted, use a spatula to lift up one side of the quesadilla and flip over the other side, as if you were making an omelet. Even though you're making a quesadilla, I guess. I don't fucking know. The tortilla should by now be browned slightly. If it is not brown, turn the heat up to high and flip the quesadilla over every 10 seconds or so until it gets browned. Step 5. Remove the quesadilla from pan and cut into wedges. To make the lettuce to accompany the quesadilla, thinly slice some iceberg lettuce, sprinkle some cider vinegar and salt on it. Who the fuck puts vinegar on fucking quesadilla? What the whatever. Serve the lettuce with salsa, sour cream, and guacamole. Anyways, that's how you make quesadillas according to this fucking recipe. Sounds like dog shit, not gonna fucking lie.